It's back for all the masochistic viewers out there. The Hobby Roast of 2023. We loved it so much the first time that we're gonna do it a second time. Hi, my name's Scott, the Miniature Maniac, and joining me today is my lovely wife, Amber. Amber, how you doing?
Just fine.
Last time Amber was here, she was here to strike a balance because I was supposed to be the mean one and then she was supposed to be the nice one. But her version of being nice to you is just being mean to me.
That's what she said.
Amber!
And by she, I mean me.
Wow. That is definitely not staying in my head. So let's get it started with, the thing that's most intriguing to me is the thing that's just out of frame here. The fact that there's like a 55-inch TV on top of his painting desk.
What if it's a monitor turned sideways?
This person's painting Ultramarines. Not only are they Space Marines, but the most basic of Space Marines. Oh, and he's got a poster of Space Marine right in front of him. And he's got like Space Marine-esque boxes. 0 out of 10.
I love the unopened super glue that's just like glued to the wall.
This is the spot that he puts his unopened Gorilla super glue, right there. Nothing else has storage on the wall. Oh, okay.
That's why I picked
That's why you picked it, because of the cold stone?
Do people use socks to wipe paint on? Because I feel like I've seen that in a couple pictures.
I think you would know better than I.
Okay.
But no, I've never heard of anyone using socks as a typical hobby tool. I'm getting some definite shed vibes from this, just based on the shape. You can see the insulation in the ceiling. You can see maybe even the house through the window on the outside. Who is this person?
Probably their child.
No, this is a nice little like kind of gamer den. Obviously, you have everything you want. You have your hobby, you have your gaming, you have a place to play the games, you have, of course, the homage to the greatest sci-fi fantasy trilogy of all time. I wonder if it has air conditioning.
I know, depending on where they live.
Yeah, this smacks of European.
Really? You think in Europe they'd have a shed like
because
this?
no one in Europe has air conditioning because they all live like animals.
But I don't know if they drink a lot of Coke Zero.
That's true. These bottles would definitely be skinny here if this was a European picture. Ooh.
Yeah, dude.
I mean,
I picked this one for me.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
This is straight out of IKEA. Like, this is looking clean AF.
But do you actually use this space? Maybe they just
time.
clean up after every use.
Hey, I do that. I clean up after every product that I finish.
Not right after.
The lie detector test determined that was a lie.
At first, I thought this tan rectangle was like some kind of like thing to tack stuff to.
No, I think it's
What do you
just
call that?
design choice.
Yeah, he just painted this rectangle on its wall brown.
It looks nice.
Does it look nice? I like the amp directly behind where this person is sitting.
There's so many things in this.
Just so that you can just be blasted with audio while you're hobbying.
The usual, sir.
What is this spiky ball of death in the background? What do you use this for?
I love the grandma lamps. There's 2 of them.
Grandma lamps?
I love all the water
Yo,
jugs.
what are all the jugs for?
Looking for his dirty secrets.
I know. This is the thing. People take pictures, but they don't really dig deep on like what is left behind. Like, what is this? Is this a jar that he peed in?
Look at his brush holder or something. What is it, styrofoam?
He has like this hollow styrofoam box that he just stabbed brushes into.
Innovative.
Sure.
Some Easter eggs. No, I don't know what those are. Those red eggs.
Oh, literal eggs. Oh, I thought you meant metaphorically Easter eggs.
No.
But no, there are actual eggs on this person's table. Oh, purple wall, green shelf, and also literally no space to do any kind of hobbying. Oh, and there's just a casual skull right over here. Okay, I can see what you're into. And an egg-shaped trash can? What does this person use for handles? Gigantic vitamin bottles of some kind? I mean, I've heard of people using like the orange like medicine bottles for like handles, but those are kind of small. These seem gigantic. Sata sausage? Doesn't that look like that could be the word sausage at the end there?
Yeah, but I think it just might be sauce. It's a European thing.
It's a European nut sauce. Oh, and an egg. Oh, red egg, dude. What the heck what's going on with the eggs? This is so tiny. The storage is like literally 4 times the size of the hobby space.
There were quite a few that had the cutting mats.
Nice.
But I did not pick you because of it.
What are your thoughts on using toilet paper versus paper towel?
I think it's worse.
There's just a stigma where it's like, you wipe your butt with that.
No, I don't care about that.
I don't want to use my mouth for that. That's butt paper.
I don't care about the butt.
Whoa, this person can't do with 1 mouse. They need 2 mice.
3 monitors, 2 keyboards because of the laptop.
There you go. This person is a gamer.
You know what else is popular with video gamers? not banging chicks.
But can they even game there?
Can you even paint here? I think most hobbyists, they like cover up their entire desk with and then this is where they hobby, on the side of the table, you know? That's all you, that's all you
that's what
really
you do.
need. Yeah, I mean, that's what I do, yeah. We're all
But what is
gamers.
this over here?
What?
This mess.
Oh, that's, you know, he's waiting to clean that up, okay?
Oh, okay.
It's in progress.
Looks like using some yogurt and Panera containers for storage.
Or eating snacks while all hobbying.
Or they're just trash.
Which is encouraging. I'm supposed to be the mean one.
There's just some blank check.
There is? Oh boy, let's not show that.
Blank check! I appreciate being able to shut it away.
Why is that? Why do you appreciate that?
Because if it's a mess, who cares? You can just close it up.
Okay, that and also you hate my hobby and don't want to support me.
No.
What's with the chain? Oh,
That's the thing, it goes up. And then you close the cabinet.
Oh, okay. This cabinet never gets closed. I get it. Yeah, no way. Did this person tape a cup to the side of their cabinet thing as like a shelf? You know, like whenever I do a temporary solution, it becomes a permanent solution for like years.
Yeah.
I wonder how long it's been there before.
Allow me to interrupt today's video with a brief message from today's sponsor, Cephalofair Games. They're the developers of Frosthaven and Gloomhaven, and they've launched a massive crowdfunding campaign featuring 3 new projects. First, they're releasing the miniatures of Gloomhaven, a collection of over 600 models representing the various characters and monsters you interact with while playing the games. The core set includes 259 models to replace the standees in the original core game, and there are other expansion boxes to cover categories like summons, mercenaries, their expansions, and also Frosthaven. The shots of miniatures you're seeing in this ad represent the quality of the final models. You know what models are also great for? Role-playing games. Oh, look at that. They've also made their own role-playing game called Gloomhaven, the role-playing game. That checks out. The core rulebook meets the needs of players and DMs alike, so no need to buy extra texts. The book comes packed with new, immersive Gloomhaven lore, an expansive bestiary, detailed cartography, and an engaging 20-hour campaign for you and your players to dip your toes into. While the RPG is similar to others in some ways, the selling point of Gloomhaven, the board game, which is the engaging card-based combat, inspires a lot of how the larger RPG works. Combat is just as engaging in the RPG version of the game, and outside of combat, your hand of cards becomes stamina and so forth that you use for various checks. If you're looking for a new and fresh RPG and enjoy the mechanics of Gloomhaven the board game, this will be worth checking out. Lastly, Cephalofair Games has re-released the original board game of Gloomhaven with a brand new 2.0 version which features rebalanced monsters, characters, and instances for a more enjoyable player experience. You can find that and everything else linked in the description below at a Backer Kit crowdfunding campaign. Thank you to Cephalofair Games for sponsoring this episode. Now back to roasting your hobby setups.
Holy shit! This is insane. What do we got? We got Monument, we got Golden, we got Turbo Game Color, we got Citadel, we got Vallejo Air, we got P3, we have the speed paints, but from scale 75. I wonder how much of this paint actually gets used though. Wait. My man, he's painting some Guild Ball, dude. He'll probably send in images with little things like that in the picture that you're never gonna catch.
No.
But like the fact that this one went through is just like, it's divine intervention. This person wins the video. Josh Huffenstuff.
No.
What? That's
His name is Josh, or also known as Huff.
No, his last name is Huffenstuff.
No, it's not.
It is now. If someone time traveled into the future and said the apocalypse occurred and then showed me this picture as like, this is how hobbying looks in like 2050 when the zombies have taken over, I would believe them. Oh, this is a game store?
No, dude. This is somebody's house.
Is this like a whole room dedicated to their hobby?
I think their whole house is.
Can I have a space like this?
No. There's 2 painting spots.
Yeah.
Or no, assembling, painting.
Oh.
How do you like that?
Why you ask me that question like it's an option for me? You're like, oh, what do you think of that? You can't have it.
Because you sounded so excited.
I am excited about it. What would you rather have in our house? A sick gaming hobby area or a sick home theater?
Home theater.
Okay. Can we do that?
No. Look at that view.
Nice view. Yeah, that view of our Lord and Savior, Aragorn!
No.
This person's a serious hobbyist. You want to know how I know? They are a Golden Demon winner. Not once, not twice, but but oh, okay, 6 times. Okay.
Do you
Who
know
is
this name?
Oh, it's Namicon. Okay. This is the hobby setup you need to win Golden Demons. Okay. I'm soaking it all in right now. What's this thing hanging up here? Little mistletoe? Namicon? Is that so you can invite some painters over and get some cheeky kisses?
There's 2 parts. There's 2 parts. Click the next one. It's in the box.
It was a box?
Yeah, that's in the box. It's a nice little hobby setup.
What? That's the hobby setup?
Yep.
Do they paint? I kind of like the idea of stealthy hobby setups, you know, like hidden.
Same. This one is color-coded. The paints. Super fun.
Holy paint shaker, dude.
Yeah, that's huge.
The
It
heck?
also looks really
You
old.
decoding
maybe.
bombs with that thing?
Oh! He has the warrior.
He has the warrior. Must have 3D printed it.
He has the big one and the little one. But I meant, what was this?
Oh, I think that's Pedro from Napoleon Dynamite in bust form. No. Yes, I really sit like this.
I was wondering. I didn't actually read that part, and I was like, this person paints on the floor?
I appreciate the clarification. I bet they even go so far as to lay on the
Yeah,
ground.
you kind of have to.
Right? Well, I don't know. What if you sit on the ground, you have the model in your like lap, and then you have like the lamp like right over your lap, and you're kind of just painting.
That's terrible posture.
Yeah.
Laying down would probably be better, honestly.
Oh my God, I can't even imagine. When you do have a hobby slumber party, you will be ready. You'll know the back pain that's about to ensue.
Dog.
Dog. Also the tendies. I appreciate the tendies, but more so the dog.
Oh, I didn't even notice. Looks like he was looking up recipes.
I often go to Google Images when I'm looking at recipes as well, so I can get how you would make that mistake.
Wait, what is this?
Pink soap.
With Jesus?
I think that's Mona Lisa.
It's a little bit blurry, okay?
With Jesus?
Are you getting too nice?
I forgot we're supposed to be roasting people right now.
Your dog looks sad, okay? Is there tape in the dog toy bin?
Yeah, that's a dog toy, obviously.
All right. That's why your dog is sad. It's up
Wait,
here.
what does that say? Good enough painting? That explains a lot. Also, TP, again, I just can't dissociate that from butt paper, okay? My models at least deserve paper towel.
All right, this
Okay.
one has two.
This is part 1.
Look how nice.
Bam!
Ah!
See, there's not a whole lot to roast. Hold on, we can on their movie.
Dune.
Dune's a great movie. Memento? Okay.
Yeah, you can't
Excalibur? Okay, all right, fine. There's nothing wrong with this photo.
Wait, look at what they have to sit on.
Wait.
Zoom out.
What is that? I have a tiny ass, and my ass is like twice as large as that. Is my ass tiny?
Yeah, there's 2 desks in
There's
this
2
picture.
hobby desks. This tiny one is trash, and no one should ever paint there unless you're a toddler.
They have kids.
I imagine it's for a kid, yeah. What is this apparatus hanging up here on the wall over here? Is this a medieval torture device? Is this a sex toy? What is that? What is that?
Is it a horse thing?
It could be a spur. Yeah, you're right. I like the idea of being a sex toy more.
America.
Oh, we've got 2 American flags. All right. I like my American. I like my Space Marine. Got my Space Marine books. Got my Space Marine action figures.
And Halo.
Got my Space Marine in another IP. We got even more Space Marine action figures. Oh wow! Oh wow!
Yeah, they do other hobbies as well.
I thought they just wanted to rave while they painted minis. What is this apparatus over here with the paint roller of death? What is this thing? It has like rubber bands, and you put like the paint thing in there, and then you just spin it around, and you can grab things out of it.
That's pretty cool.
I have never seen paint storage like that ever. This person's a live streamer. They gotta be.
It's you. Their name is Scott.
Ah! I like how they have a chair for storage and then a chair to actually sit in. I mean, this is a catastrophe. They got paint on top of their heater over there. I wonder, does that look like a heater to you? Like kind of one of those like old school water ones?
Yeah.
I wonder if by having products on top of that thing, or like, sorry, acrylic products, if they are drying out and curing faster because they're like so close to a heat source.
I love all your old school binders.
I was gonna say
there.
they have every homework assignment since like 2nd grade right there as well. They got hobby products that are still in the bag right now. They just came home, set it down, wasn't worth their time, move on.
We've all done that.
Also, you need like a drawer or something. Like
Yeah, I think that's the problem.
every product you have for the hobby is just like on your table.
Or some like things on the wall over here.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. Or another chair, why not? Wait, there's another doll right here, what the fuck?
It's a little bit creepy.
What is?
This whole thing.
You wouldn't want dolls in your hobby room? Like 1-to-1 life-size dolls?
No.
What's this creepy mask back here? Are we reenacting Saw with the hobby?
Why is this? Yeah, what?
I just noticed.
the
What's
heck?
with the hand? Earlier I said we saw a basement that reminded me of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. I take it back. This reminds me of Texas Chainsaw Massacre. He has another one of these nutty paint mixers that looks like a bomb defusal kit from the 80s.
I like the attempt at trying to have nice wiring, and then you don't. I like how you have a stool for your feet.
Oh, hello,
I appreciate
nice little
that.
stool, yeah. I mean, that's one thing that's nice about this place. Would I want to paint here? No. I love all like the little horror action figures and stuff like that.
Tell me what you hate.
Oh yeah. What I hate is just the insane number of work in progress models on your desk in front of you at all times.
Also,
Oh, a little bit of petroleum jelly right there.
Welcome to the outro of this video. I forgot to record it with Amber, so I'm doing it now. Whoops! Big shout out and thank you to everyone who submitted their hobby desks and setups for the 2023 roast video. I'm sorry that we couldn't get to everyone, but just note that I appreciate your masochism. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will link the earlier hobby roast video at the end of this one if you want to watch more similar content. If you enjoy the channel and you want to support it, there are a number of ways to do it. Most notably, just subscribing is super helpful, but also if you have some money that you want to give away, it's burning a hole in your pocket, consider picking up my model, the Duchess, and also a digital course that I made for it, teaching you how to paint the box art for the model, brushstroke by brushstroke. You can also support me on Patreon and get access to videos early, get access to supercuts of videos that show extra painting details, and you also get into the Miniac Discord, where of course, we roast each other's setups. Except for mine. Mine's the best, obviously. That'll do it for this video, guys. Subscribe or die! And most importantly, don't forget to paint more Miniac!